If we want to edit this page, this Contact Us page, we simply have to go over here to Edit with Elementor and click on it. Then we can see that we are inside the Elementor. We can see the structure over here. In case you're not seeing it, is this button over here. With the help of the structure, we can see what sections we have in this page. And by clicking on this button, we can see what elements are inside each section. If we want to see how the page looks on tablet or on mobile, we simply have to click on those icons over here. When we want to edit something for a particular device, we simply have to click over there on that particular element and then look for this icon so we know that the settings that we are making right now are particular for that device. Whenever we are making changes for the tablet view and we do not have a custom change for the mobile will take the changes that have been made in the tablet. If we want to change the device view from over here, we can do that by simply clicking on this icon and we can see the devices here as well. When we are happy with our changes, all we have to do is click over here to publish.